What's up, T-Dog Nation? I have a brand new video for you today. I am showing off my monster truck collection, and we're gonna find out how many trucks I actually have. So without further ado, let's get to it. Well, here we go, guys. My monster truck collection. I have to go back very far because that's how many trucks I actually have. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We are starting up at the top here. I hope you guys can see all of those trucks up there. Some pretty nice Spin Masters. Right now, we're gonna head down here. I am trying to get them as much as possible for all of you. Alright, give me 1 second. Alright, here we go. Some pretty nice trucks here. Let's go down again. The Spin Master trucks are almost done. And now we're on to the Hot Wheels monster trucks. Go, then you come down here. Alright, now let's move over to this shelf here. Some pretty nice trucks here. Right, there's that row. Let's do this row here. And then the last row down here. These are the last of the Hot Wheels monster trucks. And then starting right here is the start of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam trucks. All right. Now it's time for the big boys. I'm trying to get it all in one shot here, guys, so you guys can see all of the trucks here. Right now, we're gonna go right here. So, actually, you know what? Here, I'll just do this. I'll just start from here. Go this way. Go down. Do some more. Go down again. Do some more. And guys, comment down below which truck is your #1 favorite. Right, we're almost done here. And if I'm going too fast, then you can just pause the video. Alright guys, that's it. Those are all of my monster trucks. Now, it's time to count and see how many that I actually have. Alright, T-Dog Nation, I am back and I just counted and I have 547 monster trucks, and that is including our champions too. So, in total, I have 547 1/64 scale monster trucks. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you could please do me a favor, smash that like button, click that subscribe button, and ring that bell to never miss an upload, because coming up next is the monster truck rollback tournament for the Tournament of Kings. See you guys there.